Hi, Matt from Fortress Trailers. Today we're going to talk about the Pro Trade TP96 Tradesman trailer. The overall size of this trailer is 9 foot by 6 foot, and then we've got the front compartment as well. We've got a roof rack on top of the main box, which is the same size, 2700 long by 1800 wide. We've got load extender at the front here, so we've got a gap of 1150 mils, so it gives us an overall length of 3850. At the back here, we've got a roller that makes it nice and easy to get your materials up onto the roof rack. And around the side, we've got a ladder to help you get up and tie them down. All our trailers come standard with the elect brake system, which you plug into your 7-point pin on your trailer, download the app, plug it into your car, and away you go. We've also got jockey wheel as standard, handbrake, spare wheel on the load extender, and we've got an 1 7/8" coupling with the option of a 50mm if required. We've also got heavy duty chains to hook up to your car and a breakaway system for added security. Now we're going to go compartment by compartment, giving you the dimensions of all the spaces. Starting at the front box, our overall dimensions are 1710 deep by 600 wide by 930 high. The drawer itself is 850mm deep by 590 wide by about 530mm high. We've got a slide out that you can use for compressors, generators, fridges, or whatever you see fit. We've also got a couple of Anderson plugs, and we've got an electric fan to keep the air flowing. So on both sides of the trailer, we've got a small drawer here that is 830mm deep, 225 wide, with a height of about 165mm. Now we'll come to the main compartment on the left-hand side of the trailer. So internally, we've got a metre depth in here. Our opening for the door is about 675mm high by about 2 metres wide, but past that, we've got about another 150mm internally, and then above the opening, we've got about another 175mm. So we've got a slide-out tray here that is about 545 by 695, and then it extends out past the trailer about 500mm. Internally, we've got a 12-volt system running off 220 amp hour batteries. It includes dual USB chargers, light switches, and a cigarette socket. So now we'll move to the rear compartment. The rear door's gas assisted lift like all the other doors. We've got 2 sets of shelves here, 385mm deep, overall height of 735. We've got a width of a bit over 1400mm, and the gap between the top of this rail and the door is about 260mm. We've also got 2 large drawers here. They're both 560mm in width, about 340mm in height. The left one is 1520mm in depth, and the right hand side one's quite a bit bigger at 2140 in depth. Now to the compartment on the right hand side. The opening is the same side as the left hand side. Our depth is a little bit shallower at about 700mm. We've got 7 drawers here, 90mm in height, 190mm on this one drawer, 460mm in width, and about 600mm in depth. So our top shelf is 660mm in depth with 260 in length. The overall height is about 400mm, but our gap between here is a little over 200mm. So our bottom compartment is about 700mm in depth, a bit over 1 metre wide, and our height is about 470mm. Moving through to the front compartment on the right hand side, we've got our top shelf that goes all the way through to the other side. Our bottom compartment is about 680mm in depth, and we're about 600mm wide by 600mm in height. All our main compartments are fitted with central locking and an alarm system, which will help keep your gear safe. The TP96 runs a 15-inch alloy on 235/75 tyres, which is great for taking those heavy loads. This trailer has tons of storage, which makes it a great option for a range of different trades. Anything from builders to plumbers to on-site servicing to camping, or anyone that's got a ton of stuff that they need to tow around. So if you're interested or like to know more, give us a call and we can talk you through one.